love this. It's short, it's simple, it's to the point. I love this. We are evangelists.
When you're sharing with somebody, when
Yeah.
you're saying, do you believe in the hospital? Do you believe in life after death? Every nurse said yes, every doctor. You don't have the time to hock people. You don't have the, but you can say, listen.
This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency or dangerous situation, official messages and directions would have followed the alert tones. This test is brought to you by the Florida Division of Emergency Management, the Florida Association of Broadcasters, and your local broadcast station or cable provider. This concludes the required monthly test.
Than your own local community? Would you partner with us to share the gospel?